Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create your own natural hair care regimen that would help you grow a longer, fuller and healthier natural hair. I'll be sharing some guides you need to follow in order to create your own hair care regimen and some tools you can incorporate into your own hair care regimen. I will also be sharing some products or ingredients that I have incorporated into my own hair care regimen that works best for my hair type and that has helped me grow out my natural hair. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, definitely keep watching. To start with, what is hair care regimen? Hair care regimen simply means a routine to keeping your hair healthy. Hair care regimen also involves a structure. You must have a structure. It also involves repetition and consistency in the lifelong process of taking care of your natural hair. Your hair care regimen needs to include products as well as processes that would help keep your hair healthy and happy. Now, I used to tell people to have at least a weekly and monthly hair care regimen because honestly, if you are trying to grow out your natural hair, you need to have a plan. You need to prepare. And if you can master what really works well for your hair and try to incorporate them into your own hair care regimen and remain consistent with them, trust me, you will love your hair. Like, your hair will look so beautiful, so healthy. The first thing you need to know in order to create your own personal hair care regimen is your hair type. Remember that the goal of creating this hair care regimen is to help you grow a longer and healthier natural hair. But if you keep using products that are not meant for your hair type, you're actually just shooting yourself in the leg, because instead of getting healthy, longer natural hair, you might end up damaging your hair. So you need to figure out your hair type. There are so many hair types out there. We have coily, straight, wavy, kinky, and most black women or Africans fall under this kinky category, and that is what we know as our type 4 natural hair. And under this type 4 natural hair, we still have type 4A, type 4B, type 4C. So you need to figure out your hair type before creating your own hair care regimen or buying hair care products. Now, in order to figure out your hair type, you need to consider some factors like your hair density, your hair greasiness, your hair elasticity, hair porosity, as well as your coil pattern. This will help you determine which category you fall under. If you still find it difficult to determine your hair type, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make a video on how to really determine your hair type. The next step is for you to identify your hair goals and hair concerns. What are your hair goals? Do you want to achieve a fuller hair, a longer hair? Do you want the color of your hair to be darker than it is? What are your concerns? What are your hair concerns? Are you suffering from itchiness, dry scalp, greasiness, frizziness, scanty edges, dandruff? Just identify these problems, and once you're able to identify these problems and keep them in mind, when drafting your hair care regimen, you'll be able to know what hair care products or what ingredients to incorporate into your hair care regimen that will actually help you fight that particular hair problem or help you achieve that hair goal. There are actually tons of hair care products and even natural ingredients out there that can help solve various hair problems. Natural ingredients like onion juice, flaxseed, ginger, aloe vera, tea tree oil can help solve hair problems. Later on in this channel, I'll be sharing with you guys some of these natural ingredients that can help you solve some of your hair problems. So you want to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more hair care tips. Now, apart from using natural ingredients or DIYs, you can as well go for over-the-shelf products, but just make sure to do your research diligently before purchasing any hair care product. That is why you have Google, that is why you have YouTube. So make sure you do your research well before buying any hair care product in the market. And while purchasing this hair care product, you want to make sure to check out for ingredients that you know actually tackles your hair problem. For example, if you are suffering from dandruff, you want to watch out for ingredients like ginger, peppermint and tea tree oil. And that is why you can't copy another person's hair care regimen, because you don't know that person's hair type. You don't know the hair goal that person is trying to achieve or the type of hair problem she's trying to solve. So you need to create your own hair care regimen according to your need, according to your hair needs, according to your hair goals and concerns. The next step is for you to choose your hair care products or ingredients. Now you must have identified your hair type, your hair goals and hair concerns. So the next step is for you to choose products or ingredients that will suit your hair type, your hair goals and hair concerns. And make sure that when choosing hair care products, you are going for hair care products that suit your hair type. When choosing your hair care products like your shampoos, leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, make sure you are choosing products that are suitable for your hair type. If you notice that your hair is too hard, like very hard, you can try to incorporate moisturizing deep conditioners into your hair care regimen. Also, if you notice that your hair is so soft, like very soft, try to incorporate protein treatment into your hair care regimen. It will help strengthen your hair. So it all boils down to what your hair really needs. But make sure to keep your hair care products as simple as possible. Please don't be a product junkie. Especially as a beginner, having too much hair care products can overwhelm you and make your natural hair journey tiresome. So you want to make sure they are as simple as possible. And your hair care products can be as simple as your shampoo, your deep conditioner, your leave-in conditioner and hair butter. You also want to try out different oils to know what suits your scalp, and you can even mix these oils. I personally love to mix my oils, that way I'm getting different benefits from different oils. So you also want to choose your hair tools like your comb, brush, hair bands and the likes, but please make sure you are choosing the right tools for your hair. For example, you want to detangle with a white tooth comb like this one here, white tooth comb, not a fine tooth comb like this. No, please don't detangle your natural hair with this type of comb. Also, your hair bands, you want to use hair bands and not rubber bands. Make use of hair bands like this. Make sure you're using hair bands like this and not rubber bands, because rubber bands actually causes friction to your natural hair and can pull or rip out your natural hair. So please be careful of the type of tools you use on your hair. The next step is your wash day. After carefully creating your natural hair care regimen, you want to make sure you are creating time to actually care for your natural hair. What's the essence of spending so much money buying hair care products or creating hair care regimen when you won't be consistent with it, or when you won't even end up using them? So you want to make sure you are creating time to use these hair care products on your hair. So before planning out your wash days, or before choosing days you'll be washing your hair, make sure you check out your schedule to know when you will be really free to take care of your hair. Because trust me, wash days can be tiresome. Like seriously, wash day can be tiresome. Some people use a whole day for wash day, some people even use 2 days for wash day. Yes, it's that tiresome. So you want to be able to check your schedule and know when you will be really free to take care of your hair. Otherwise you won't be consistent. Trust me, if you don't check your schedule well to know when you'll be free and you just pick any day, and those days you pick ended up being when you won't be available, trust me, you won't be consistent with your wash day. I have a video on how to make your wash day as simple as possible, like the step-by-step process involved, and these steps are very simple and it's something you will be consistent with. Trust me, I'll leave the link up here. I'll also leave the link in the description box. So definitely watch that video after watching this video to see if you are even washing your natural hair the right way, or to see what you can do to make your wash day as simple as possible, especially as beginners. As a beginner, you don't want to have a complicated wash day. If you don't make your wash day as simple as possible, trust me, you'll be overwhelmed. Like everything will be too much for you. You'll be overwhelmed and you will start skipping your wash days. Like seriously, you start skipping your wash days. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. But it's not the best. So definitely watch that video for a simple step-by-step process of a wash day that you will be consistent with. So we all know that taking care of natural hair requires a lot of care, patience, effort and time. So you need to create time to take care of your natural hair. But if you are the type that is always busy and have just little time to care for your natural hair, I would advise you go for high quality products that would deeply care for your hair. But if you have time for your hair like I do, Definitely try out different DIY recipes for your hair, and trust me, you will love your hair. Like, since I started incorporating DIY recipes on my hair has been doing so well, like super super great. That brings us to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you have any question or tips you want to share with us, please drop them in the comment section. Also, let us know your hair type, your hair goals, and your hair concerns. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly give your girl a huge thumbs up. Also, turn on your notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know about it. If you are new here, hi, my name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, natural hair, DIYs, beauty tips, tutorials, and all those good stuff. So please consider subscribing to this channel for more of this. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart